Alright, so today guys, we're gonna drop the Supra. My Coilovers right here, Fortunatos. Let's get started. So to do the rear, you're gonna have to remove the little cover right here out first, and then you're gonna have to remove this speaker cover. And it's just held on by this Phillips. And if you're like me, I think mine is like hella loose. Just use my finger to bolt it. Yeah, way too much stuff. Oh shoot! Actually, my rear speaker cover is broken. Old plastic. Nice. Yeah, you just remove this speed cover, and then you have this Thames cover right here, and then you're gonna have to remove that. You have to remove this cap, remove the plug from the actual actuator right here, and this plug, remove it, and then after that you'll have another set of 12mm bolts to take off. I've already done it. I've already loosened them, and then you can just go ahead and take them off, and then you should be able to remove your rear struts out of the back of your car. There's a 19mm bolt this side. Do one of these hexes, just break them off, take it out, and that should be it for the rear springs and struts. You can just take it out. Rear axle should be loose. See? Just want to press it down, and then you should be able to wiggle it out. See, it's already loose on top, and it's pretty hard to do with one hand, but it should be out, and then you can just pull it. One has finally come out. Time to see how the new ones match up. Right rear. Right side. Okay. There's the front. This one should be this one's front, meaning this last strut right here is your other rear. Other side. Yep. Okay. This is how much lower it is already. Around maybe 2 inches, 3 inches drop. I'm gonna line them up, make sure they're the same size. So pretty even, pretty close. Alright, and then you're just gonna take this, insert it in the nut first. Loosen up the holes. It'd be much easier if you had a second person to help. I don't, because I only have a cameraman. Okay. From there, you're gonna wanna go up from top and just finger it in. Yeah. One bolt on, hold it tight. Alright, cool. You can just drop the bottom and go ahead and tighten up the rest by hand. Or you can use a power tool if you got one. But just do this. There you go. Okay. What you want to do is put it right under your axle, it there behind the hub assembly, and you're gonna jack it up so it makes it easier for you to put your 19mm bolt back on to the coilover. There you go. Is it sinking? Does it even work?
Sinking.
Hey, I forgot that this one's not like the regular jacks. They're using the old style where you gotta twist the lock, so I was pumping for no reason. Now it should stay afloat. Alright, line it. Uh-oh. Oh. This is why you don't tighten it all the way. There you go. Alright. Measure it up. Get your bolt. Go through this side first. Ooh. Might take a little adjusting. Get through all the holes. With the hammer. There's a hammer. Slight jack. Going through. There you go. Go ahead and put the bolt back on. And hand tighten it. Or if you have power tools like I do. Just hang it in. Oh, whoops. Almost forgot. We're on level 1. 10 foot-pounds of torque. Just so nothing happens. And then you want to torque it down to spec. So I'm gonna try it first, just to drop it down and see how low it is compared to it. That side's with the lowering spring, the coilovers. This side's not. So you can see the reduction in wheel gap already. It's too low. I couldn't get the jack off. Luckily, I had some flooring, some leftover flooring. We're gonna put on the wheel, and then we're gonna drop the car, see if it clears. Then if it's good, we use the same setting for the next side. Oh.
You still got a little inch. Oh god damn.
Oh no, I dropped it.
Oh yeah, you did. You got like an inch.
Wait, that's like perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't need to adjust my ride height at all. Out of the box, they're pretty good. If I go over a speed bump, I'm fucked though.
So you
have to roll my fenders for sure. Ooh! Come here. Look at the fitment from this side. That looks good. That looks good. The camber's correct. Everything. It'll flow flush as soon as I roll the rear fenders. Little brother to work on cars. Take out the wheels for me. This is first time. How you feel? Hey, hey, yeah, yeah, Chris, yeah. All right, Obcentric, gotta get that shit out. I'll do that later. All right, same thing. 19. Bust that shit open. Bought a new Supra, you know. It's just clean. Look at that white paint on the Supra. Hey, Supra emblem. Yeah. Nice, dude. Yeah. Blanca. Damn. Clean, dude.
Look inside.
Holy. Wait, what the? Smells like black dick? Oh. Wait, does your hood latch work?
Oh,
yeah, it does.
Look at the inside, bro. Look at the inside.
Bro.
Look at that shit.
Yo, that's on the inside. Oh.
Look at that.
Intake's good. They dress this shit up.
Yeah. He took care of it because this was his buddy. But he passed away.
That's sad.
That's why he took care of it. It's all nice and clean.
So, am I about to rip it?
You want to drive it?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Hell yeah. See you back in a bit. Hey.
You cannot forget. I don't know what the hell they do, dude.
What the heck?
Fucking Thames.
Look at this. Looking much better. Had a freaking monster truck before. Looking all fresh. This is what you needed, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't even matter. It doesn't even matter if it's like mixed match. It looks like it's a cream and a white now.
Exactly.
It's just the lowerness. The lowerness. So there are 14mm bolts on top of these. You unscrew them and then you can take the Thames cap off and then you just literally pull out the rubber boot. And then from there just unbolt and bolt. 19mm on the bottom again. Pull that shit out.
You bitch, bro.
Coilovers. This guy right here, the wishbone bolt, is torqued to 121. The guy, the bottom lower mount, is 106. And then the top, we're gonna torque it down to 14. And then you're good for this side. And that's all it is. All it takes to install coilovers in the front. Just repeat it on the other side.
What's up, guys? It's actually another day. I finished installing the coilovers finally, and it took me 2 days to finish it because I had to do other stuff besides just working on my car, and go to school and all that. But yeah, the Supra's finally finished. I dialed in all the coilovers to make sure they're even on both sides. Preload's good. No squeaks, no rattles, drives like stock, but handles way better. Next is probably sway bars if I'm planning on upgrading my handling. Right now she's looking good. She's sitting very nice, good stance, pretty practical still. The only issue now is even after I rolled my fenders, they're still rubbing when I go up slopes and I'm turning the steer wheel. But besides that, she looks good. Once again, the specs are 18 by 9.5 plus 22 all around, and they fit really flush to the fender. I think it looks very good. It'll look even more amazing after paint to match the wheels, because if you haven't realized, the car and the wheel are different colors. They're both white, but the wheels have a more bluish tint to it than the OEM Toyota Super White, which is a little more yellow. But we'll get that sorted out, fix all the trim. See, there's some like patches right here. I was buffing one day and like I kind of messed up the cowl right there. Weather seals are kind of bad. Actually, they're really bad. They're leaking from both sides. Also got to do windshield wiper delete, make it a little cleaner, and also delete